back, everyone. So we are making this fine fabric, and how to cut princess dart is what we are going to use it for. So please watch my video down to the end, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and let's dive in now. Cut out the fabric that we are going to use, we are going to work on. So this is it. So then I will be marking. So I will take the length first. My length, that is for my half length, is 15 inches. So that's my 15 inches for the half length. And then after that, I'll go ahead now to mark my shoulder. My shoulder is 15. 15, you divide 15 by 2, that will give us 7.5 inches on our tape. So that's my 7.5 inches. After that, I will roll it like this. So that is it. So from my chest, from my shoulder to my chest line, I'm going to mark 8 inches. So from my shoulder to my chest line is 8 inches, and I'll also roll it like this. So then we are going to mark our bust measurement now. So my bust is 34 inches. 34 divided by 4, that will give us 8.5 inches, adding up to 2 inches. Let me add up to 2 inches. So come to the waistline. My waist is 26 inches. So this is my 26 inches divided by 4. It will give us on our tape 6.5 inches. I will also add 2 inches on it. So that is it. So we've gotten that. So now we'll work on our bust dart now. So my dart is 3.5 inches. So that's my dart now. My dart is 3.5 inches. And also to get the middle part, you place it like this. You know, this is our middle point that will mark 3.5. So half inch here, half inch here. Are you following up? So that is it. I want to connect it now like this to where I mark 3.5, and also connect it from this half inch again to where I mark 3.5. So now I'll go ahead now to measure my shoulder. My shoulder that I'm having here, from where I mark from the shoulder to my chest line, is 8. So you will now divide it in 2. So what will it give us if you divide it by 2? It will give us 4. That is 2, 2, that is 4. So I'm marking on this line 4. So from that 4, that's where we'll now connect our darts now. That's where our princess dart will form. So I'm taking it like this. So can you see what I've done now? You can see our dart has come out. So then for our neckline, my neckline is 4 inches. Marking my neckline. The depth of my neckline, I'll go ahead now to mark 5 inches, and it's a round neckline. So I'm using my curve ruler to give my round neck like this. So that is it. So after that now, I will slope my shoulder by half inch. So my shoulder slope is by half inch. Then using my ruler to also slope it down. So that is it. I hope you are following up. And if you don't understand what I'm doing here, please watch this video again so that you can follow up. You can know how to cut your princess dart. You can see it's princess dart that we are making, not bustier. So you can see the difference now. So this is how to cut your princess dart. Now we have marked all our measurement. Now is to connect the mask together. So I will connect it from my bust to my waistline like this. So please, before I forgot, let me also curve my armhole, placing my tape like this on my chest line and marking 2 inches, and then using my curve ruler to curve it from that 2 inches that we marked. So can you see how it is now? So can you see how it is goes? So this is what we are working on, because we are trying to cut out our princess dart. So this is how you go about cutting your princess dart. And please, if you don't understand this, rewatch the video so that you can be able to know every detail that we just did here, and you can cut your own. So let me cut it out. We are not So I will start from here. You can see the way I'm cutting it now. So this is how you also cut your own. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing and you are following up. So take this one out. So continue to cut. So this is how to cut your princess out. And also for the neck. So this is our neck. So please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others so that they too can see and watch and also cut on their own. So this is it, how to cut your princess out. So can you see now we have cut it out? So this is how to fix it. Now if you are going to join it, like to sew it together, this is how you're going to sew it. So what we are just doing now is just for us to know how to cut our princess dart. So you can see I came out good. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end. If you're not done that, please do it so that you can know how to cut your princess dart. I hope the explanation is very simple for you to go. So have your fabric and also cut it along with me the way you saw me doing it. So please, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.